Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Ghost and today I have a pretty interesting video to show you. So I got this keyboard from Aliexpress a few days ago and I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy with it because I love the keycaps, I love the switches, I love the colors. It's very cute and I really like it. So Aliexpress sent me this to do a few videos on and I had an idea. I've been buying things on Aliexpress for my keyboards for a long time, so why not try all the switches I've been getting from Aliexpress on this boy and show you guys how they sound and how they look in the end. I'm very curious about what combinations we can make here and what it's going to sound like, because this is a very talky keyboard. If you didn't see me do the unboxing on him, you can see it on the link probably here in the video, or just go to my channel. But yes, I have a bunch of 4 types of switches that I want to try with them, and all got on Aliexpress. So I think as a collaboration with Aliexpress, they give me this keyboard, so I'll try the switches I got on their page. I think it's a good combination. Let's go. So these ones are the ones that came originally with the keyboard. They are called the YUNZII Cocoa Creams. And honestly, these are the version 2, I think. I'm very surprised with them. They're very talky switches. Very surprised and very happy with the result, honestly. And I may get some more in the future to try them in different setups. But we're gonna try different ones now. Talking about talky switches, we have the Gatheron Milky Yellows, one of my favorite talky switches. I'm really happy with them because they seem very good quality. The sound they give on the keyboards that I've been trying them on, they're very good, and I'm really happy with them. So we're going to be comparing the two talky switches. Regarding silent switches, we have 2 options here. We have the Otemo Peach Silent, or Silent Peach. I'm really happy with these ones. These ones I got recently for my husband's keyboard, and I really like them. And we also have the Otemo MX Silent Ocean. I think that's their name. I'll leave links for all of these switches down below. They're both silent switches. These ones tend to be my favorites between the 2 of them, but they're very good, both of them. Very good results with both of them, and pretty good prices, honestly. So we're going to be trying the 2 of them too. And now we have the Princess Linear switches. These are not like my to-go switches, but they are still pretty good. I used them for a while on one of my main keyboards, and I'm pretty happy with them. So we're gonna see how they behave on this base. That was some pretty good ASMR, wasn't it? I do love hearing what each type of switches sound in different keyboards. If you don't know this, like depending, not only the switch change the sound, but also the base of the keyboard, and even the keycaps can change the sound completely of a keyboard. Everything influences a little bit, at least a little bit. But I hope you liked it. Which one was your favorite? Which one was your least favorite? And what suggestions of switches can you give me so I can try? I love some silent switches and some talkie switches. They're my two favorite kind of sound or lack of sounds on a keyboard, and so some of these were very satisfying for me. But I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more things with me, there's links all over. I do live stream on Twitch, art and other things like that, so check it out too. And don't forget, we'll have discount codes on the description down below, so you can always check it out, maybe to get something like this for yourself. Let me know what you get if you end up getting something. So I hope I see you in the next one, and have a nice day. Bye!